Hey guys, so it's the first day of 2019 and I'm heading off to give Clay a hand with his FJ ute. I believe we're putting the engine back in and getting it ready to drive because both our utes need to be on the road this year because it's been way too long. So come along and I'll do some recording while we get our hands dirty. What is going on here?
See what he's trying to exact you boots.
Looks like it's in.
Oh yeah, totally.
That's how it should sit, isn't it? That's pretty much.
Jack down. Oh, sorry. Yep. Awesome. Just like
So mate, for those people that just joined the channel,
yeah.
tell us about the ute.
1954 FJ Holden.
1954.
54 Brisbane build. I brought it off a farmer from Gumtree Yard. It was advertised for 2.5. There was no way I was paying 2.5 because from my understanding she sat in the paddock for what, like 20 something years. So she had a fair bit of rust and no motor, no bonnet, no tailgate, no nothing. So I basically built it from the ground up. Yeah, no wheels, no anything. So yeah, what you see is what I've sort of built. Obviously having no motor, we sort of open to choices. Wanted a V8, but a little too hard in Queensland to get registered. So we put a red motor. And the biggest of the sixes, I went from a HQ to a 202 with 3-speed synchro mesh first gear gearbox. What else do you want to know? Plans?
Yeah, what's the plans for it?
Plans slammed. I wanted on bags.
Bags?
I literally just wanted as a ratty pickup with Aussie flavour. These utes are getting pretty hard to find, panel lengths are harder. But yeah, bags slammed with just a little, we'll end up doing a small little cam. And yeah, with your help mate, we can make that happen.
Should be done.
It should be done.
Should be driving this year.
I don't want anything crazy. No 9-second quarters or anything like that. Maybe like 22-second quarters, but
22?
22s.
That's pretty quick.
Mate, I'd be happy with 22s.
22 minutes or?
Take 22 minutes and get in through street nearing. Oh, there's my half inch. I knew I had one.
There it is. Yeah, you found it. No, it's come a long way.
Yeah, it's getting. It's really starting to fight me at the moment. Peace on earth. Knees up.
Oh, that's right. The door doesn't open. Pretty cool back in the day.
Not a very big cab, eh? I was looking at that one down at Plumbing. 15 mil. There we go. See that? Straight in the bloody hole.
I didn't see it.
I should be a bloody golfer.
Show us again.
Bloody. Oh, look at that. Slipped in there.
Look at that, old school.
Like your mum.
Joints.
Like your mum on a good night.
Whose?
Ah, get on there. Thank you.
What are these gums you're talking about?
Oh, Jesus. Me neck's sore.
Don't need that.
Paparazzi checking out your nostrils. Oh, goodness me.
Stop dropping your bolts, mate.
That, my friend, is a 24.